Come on, hop in for me so I can get your stuff.
No, can I?
Hop all the way in.
I have.
You have what?
I didn't. Hold on.
You have what?
I'm okay. Trust me. No, I get.
All right, hang on. I'll be right back.
It's 2:04 a.m. at the University of Tampa. Officer Barr spots a vehicle driving the wrong way, completely ignoring a "Do Not Enter" sign. But she didn't just miss the sign, she literally bulldozed through a row of traffic cones to get there. When questioned, the driver, 22-year-old Ainsley Fitzgerald, offers a bizarre defense. She claims her friends told her to just skip the cones. Is this a case of terrible peer pressure and bad navigation? Or are we looking at a driver who is too impaired to realize she's on a one-way trip to jail? Watch how quickly this story falls apart.
Thank you, mate. Miss Fitzgerald.
Yeah.
How are you tonight?
I'm doing good. How are
Okay.
you?
You know what happened? You know why you got...
So they were telling me, they're my friends. I don't go to school here. They were just telling my friends that I should, to pull into here.
Okay.
And I just wasn't sure, what to do. So I was pulling in, and then they were like, "Oh, skip the cones," and I didn't think it was right, but I kept going.
Okay. What, you were just visiting here for the...
Yeah, I'm just dropping them off. It's not, yeah.
Do you live around here?
I live in South Tampa. That address is not current. That's my parents. I just moved.
Where were y'all coming from tonight?
I picked them up somewhere near downtown.
Okay. And how much have you had to drink tonight?
Not much at all.
Okay. What did you have?
Like one drink, and that was because I drink wine with my dinner.
Drink wine?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had like one glass. It's not, it's
what
not
happened
crazy.
to the back bumper of your car?
It's been gone for a long time. Somebody crashed into me a long time ago, and it fell off. And
Okay.
I don't have the money to fix it, so it's been
Okay.
gone
You want to
for a
hop
while.
out from the... I'd like to check and make sure you're okay to drive, okay? If you would shut the door, we'll go up here away from everybody. Come on up here. Do you have any medical problems or anything?
Nothing crazy, no. My hip's been fractured.
Okay.
My right hip has been fractured, and I played hockey my whole life, and I'm in the Army, so
Okay.
pain, but nothing crazy, no.
How long ago did you fracture the hip?
A couple years.
Did you have to have surgery or anything?
No, I had an MRI done, but
Okay.
nothing.
Physical therapy, anything like that?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay. Do you feel like you're back to normal now?
Yeah, I'm okay. Sometimes it acts up, but it's nothing too bad. This knee too, with the same ligament tear or something. I don't remember, again, basic training, but.
Okay. And how does your legs feel right now, your hip? Everything's okay?
Decent, yeah.
Are you able to walk okay?
Yeah.
Are you on any medications?
Not right now, no.
Okay. Anything else physically, like your back, your feet, anything like that?
No, I think it should be okay.
Okay. Have you ever been told you've had anything wrong with your eyes?
No.
Okay. What I'd like to do is begin by checking your eyes. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
If you would put your feet together like I'm doing and then your arms down to your side. All right. See the red light in front of you?
Yeah.
What I'm going to have you do, I'd like you to follow that light with your eyes, but keep your head still as I move that back and forth,
All right.
okay? Keep your head still.
Oh. I also do move a lot.
Try your best to stand still. I know it's hard.
And it's really hard for me,
All right.
trust me.
Okay. All right. You said you're not on any medications right now?
No.
Okay.
I mean, like cough medicine, but if that counts, I mean, yeah.
No. When did you last take it?
2 or 3 hours ago. Maybe.
Okay. What type of cough medicine was it?
I took Zyrtec and then Mucinex.
Okay.
I do have a prescription for allergy meds too. So
That's
I take
fine.
those.
The Mucinex that you took, that was a cough medicine that you
Yeah,
took?
regular, like the like the normal.
Like a liquid form of it,
Yeah.
or the pill?
Not liquid.
Liquid, and you just took like the one
The
dose?
normal dosage,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. I'd like you to do 2 other exercises, okay? It involves walking on a line and then standing on one leg.
Okay.
Could you do that for me?
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. One leg, kind of hard because ouch. But yeah.
Okay. This is a little bit crooked right here. Why don't we, do me a favor, just wait right here. Come on over this side. That's just too crooked right there. All right, let's stand right there. We'll use this yellow line right here.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, the yellow
This
line,
yellow
okay.
line right here. Yep.
Yeah.
We'll use that one straight down. Don't worry about the angled
yeah.
ones. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the instructions. I'm going to show you how to do this, okay?
Okay.
While I'm doing all of that, I want you to stand on the line with your left foot on the line.
Like this.
So put your left foot on the line first.
Okay.
Yep. And then take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot so it touches heel to toe. Make sure one foot is directly in front of the other foot. And then
right.
place your arms down to your side.
Yeah.
Now don't begin walking until I tell you to start, okay?
Okay.
All right. So when I tell you to, I'd like you to take 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud as you walk down the line. You're then going to turn around, walk back down the same line, 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud, okay? I don't want you to start just yet, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
So it's okay. So your first step will be number 1, and each step needs to be heel to toe like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. On your 9th step, I want you to leave your front foot on the line. Remove only your back foot, taking a series of small steps to complete a turn just like this.
Okay.
Okay? And then you're going to walk back down the line, 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay.
So while you do this, I would like you to look at your feet as you walk, count your steps out loud, keep your arms down to your side, and then once you begin walking, don't stop until you've completely finished this.
Okay.
Do you have any questions on how to do this?
No, I should be good.
Okay, you can begin when you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna about face. I'm sorry. I'm in the army. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. All right, next, what I want you to do is actually, you can come stand right here off of the line. Just stand right in front of me. Just stand like right here. Just put your feet together, arms down to your side. Now don't do anything until I tell you, okay?
All right, yeah.
This one, when I'm going to show you first, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to raise one foot. Doesn't matter which one you do. You're going to raise it so it's about 6 inches off of the ground.
Okay.
Point your toes straight out, just like this.
Yeah.
Look at that foot and then count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop.
All right.
Okay? Make sure you keep your legs straight. Don't bend it at the knee like this. Make sure it's straight. Make sure
I do move a lot. I have, like, interest. I move a lot, so yeah.
Well, what do you
Just so
mean?
you're sure,
What do you
but,
mean by
like,
that?
I
Quick,
can't stop moving. Yeah.
Just like arm
ADHD,
twitching and stuff.
So, yeah,
Okay.
I can't. It's hard for me.
That's
to
fine.
Focus, but I can do it.
If your
try.
hands and stuff move like that, that's totally fine. But what I want you to
Okay.
do is try to keep your arms down to your side, your leg up or your foot about 6 inches off of the ground. Make sure
Okay.
your toes pointed out, not up in the air, but out like that.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions on how to do that?
No, I'm good.
All right. You can begin when you're ready.
1001,
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 2007, oh good lord, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 17, 2018,
Yep, just continue from where you were.
2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023.
Okay. You can put your foot down.
Yeah.
Here, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Don't resist. You're gonna get charged with something else. Okay. You are being placed under arrest for DUI.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
Right, come on up. Come on over here.
I'm not. I'm so sorry. Can I?
Can you what?
I'm not. I'm so sorry.
Come on up here.
can't.
Come on up to the front of the car. Okay.
I can't stand.
Stand still.
No, I can't stand on one foot. I'm sorry. I can't.
Well, it's not just about standing on one foot, okay? It's a little bit more than that, right? We are going to go down to the jail, and I'm going to ask you to do a breath test. Are you willing to do the breath test?
Hold on. I'm sorry. Hold on.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
No. I have to.
Any pills?
Did they already leave?
Yes. Do you have any pills or anything like that in
No.
your pockets?
No.
Okay.
Can I take a minute?
Yep, I'm gonna have you gotta have a seat in the back of my car, okay?
Okay. I'm sorry.
Come on back here.
I have to release it.
You have what? You can tell me.
No.
Okay. Are you active military right now?
Yes.
Okay.
I have.
You want me to roll the window down for you?
I just have to slow down for a minute. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can I have my phone and everything on my car?
I'll get it for you. Yep.
It's not.
Come on,
Can I-
hop in for me, so
No.
I can get your stuff.
No. Can I?
Hop all the way in.
I have.
You have what?
I didn't. Hold on.
You have what?
I'm okay. Trust me. No, I get.
All right, hang on. I'll be right back. There are so many open containers in here. It is astounding. It really is everywhere you look. There's an open container or something.
She insisted on having just one glass of wine with dinner, but the inventory search paints a very different picture. Legally, once she's under arrest, officers conduct a search of the vehicle. Watch as Officer Barr finds a literal graveyard of open containers, seltzers, twisted teas, and tequila. Does this look like one glass to you?
A Miller Lite can empty. Here's a box for a Silver Patron tequila. There's nothing in it. Another seltzer empty. Another seltzer empty. Seltzer empty. That's the twisted tea I was talking about earlier. This car is a wreck.
Can I have my phone with me?
Not up here, no. You'll be able to
Is
get
it
phone.
coming to the jail with me?
Yeah, it is.
You promise?
Yep. I'm gonna sit inside.
No,
Yep.
Hey. Are you with me in the jail?
It won't be with you, but you will be able to access it for like phone numbers. They won't let you.
No, I get it on my
Yeah. Yep. All right. Are you willing to do the breath test there? No, I can't force you to do it. Okay. If are you familiar with what happens in Florida if you don't do the breath test?
No.
Okay. So basically what happens is if you don't do the breath test, your license gets suspended.
Okay.
So for DXT for 1 year.
Okay.
Let me look at your license. Hang on. Make sure there's nothing else on here. I'm assuming there's not.
Okay.
Suspended license.
Oh, why?
Failure to pay traffic fines on November 6, 2023. Again, November 6th in 2023, and then insurance on March 16. What's that?
I wasn't aware of that. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I wouldn't be driving if I knew that. So.
Yeah. Basically, so what had happened with you? The options for you are, if you refuse the breath test, it's a 1 year suspension. If you do the breath test and you blow over a .08, it's a 6 month suspension. Either way, you can go and apply for a hardship license so you can drive for work and necessities. So those are your options. You know, I mean, really, there's only two options: either you take it or you don't take it. It's totally up to you. Oops, there we go. You're welcome to read along. I'm going to read this paragraph right here, okay? Some of this is not going to apply to you, so when I'm done reading this, I'll explain that. So right here, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215, which is boating under the influence, for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215 for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor, in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. So, out of this, the 18 months and the additional misdemeanor charge does not apply to you.
Okay.
The only thing that applies to you out of this is the 1 year suspension, and this refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding.
Okay.
Meaning that if it were to go to court, I could say, yes, you refused.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions about that?
What is it if I take it and regardless of the results?
No matter what, regardless of the results, you're charged with DUI tonight.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter what the results come back as. You're still charged with DUI.
Okay.
Does that answer that question?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you still refuse to take the test?
Yeah.
Okay. Hang tight, I got a couple of things of paperwork I gotta do real quick, and we'll get you inside, okay? Are you active reserve or active duty?
Reserve.
Okay. Because I saw a reserve card in there, and I just want to make sure we didn't have to make any notifications, and I don't think we do.
Ainsley Fitzgerald refused the breath test, triggering an automatic 1 year license suspension under Florida's implied consent laws, on top of her existing suspensions for unpaid fines. The one drink defense rarely holds up against bodycam footage like this. What do you think of the officer's patience here? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more transparent look-ins at law enforcement.